Hi, this is Izzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use DeepSeek R1. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. DeepSeek's AI model DeepSeek R1, aka deepseek-reasoner, is the most talked about AI model at the time of this writing. Recently integrated it with better a code reviewer GitHub action powered by AI, which I developed during a hackathon. In this video, I will show you how to use the DeepSeek R1 on your phone. So how? So on my previous video, you can also see what is uh, DeepSeek and how to use it. Now let's see for the R1 feature. So you can open the DeepSeek. In here, you can see in here there's an option Deep Thing R1. So you can just tap on that and ask on this. Maybe for the example, how many country in the world? So if you use Deep Thing R1, DeepSeek the R1, you can get more advanced answer uh, from this AI, DeepSeek AI. So as you can see in here, it's still thinking. So you can get more advanced answer from DeepSeek. You can see the difference if you use the basic one. Okay, here's the answer for the R1 mode, and let's turn off the deep thing R1 and try to use the basic one and see the answer. So here's the answer. No. So as you can see, the answer if you're using the basic one, not advanced like you use the R1. So that is how to use DeepSeek R1 on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.